Good afternoon. My name is Jorge, and today I'm going to prepare a delicious recipe called 3 milk cake. Ingredients: 2.5 cups of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 7 eggs separating yolks and whites, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, I can 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of brandy, butter to grease the mold. For the meringue: 6 egg whites, a pinch of salt, 1/4 tablespoon cream of tartar, 3/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 lemon. Preparation: preheat the oven to 109 centigrades. Grease and flour a 25 centimeter round mold diameter. Sieve the flour together with the baking powder. In a large bowl, beat the egg whites to the point of nougat. Add the sugar and beat again until stiff peaks form. Then the yolks are added one by one. The mixing speed is reduced, and third of the flour and a third of the milk are added. The operation is repeated until all the flour and milk are incorporated along with a little vanilla. Pour the mixture into the prepared mold and bake at 135 centigrades for 35 to 40 minutes or until a wire inserted comes out clean. Let cool for 5 minutes and unmold. The cake is cut into 3 horizontal layers. In another container, mix the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and the cream, and at the same time add the brandy. A third of the milk mixture is distributed on the fourth layer of the cake, covering with the next layer and so on. With the rest, cover the entire cake. You can break the cake a little with a toothpick so that the milk penetrates well. For the meringue: beat the egg whites, salt and cream of the tartar until they form small peaks. Reserve. In a saucepan, mix the water, sugar, and lemon zest. Boil over medium-high heat. Add to 120 centigrades or until the syrup reaches the point of the loose ball. The withdraws from the fire in the form of a thin stream. The syrup is incorporated into the beaten egg whites. Beat for 6 minutes or until mixture is firm. Cover sides and a top of cake with meringue. At the end, it is decorated with a flower or strawberry and refrigerated until served. The next recipe is legs and thighs with beer. Ingredients: 6 legs and thighs, 3 onions, 1/4 kilogram of green beans, 1 lemon, salt, consomme powder, freshly ground pepper, 1/2 stick of butter, oil for frying, 1 scent bucket, cold water, ice, beer. Preparation. Chicken peas are cleaned first. Onions and green beans are slices, are sliced diagonally. The chicken is seasoned with lemon juice, salt, chicken bouillon powder, and pepper. The butter with a little oil is melted in a frying pan and the legs are sealed in boiling water, and with a little sea salt add the green beans without covering the saucepan. They are left for a few minutes and removed to place them in a container with ice so that they do not lose their color. The chicken is sealed, and removed from the saucepan, which will be used to pot the onions. Once they are well browned, return the chicken peas, adding the beer. The stew is left to boil for 10 minutes, constantly skimming off the foam. Finally, we put the bucket of scent on it and wait for it to boil so that it releases its perfume. If the chicken peas no longer have droplets of blood, then they are perfectly cooked. Remove the peas and let the sauce reduce. Once this is done, the chicken legs are returned and the green beans are added, and it's ready.